Do you want to give your courses and membership programs a really professional feel? In this video, we will go over how to create menus for logged-in users for your membership site or online school. Hi, I'm Christine with Thrive Themes. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do that and ring the bell to be notified when we publish new videos. So one of the things that can be challenging when you create a course or membership site on WordPress is providing your users with a really premium feel to your site. And it's hard to charge premium prices if you can't provide a premium experience. That's why in Thrive Apprentice, we've given you the ability to customize your online school or membership to your brand, as well as have complete control over things like navigation. So what I'll be showing you in this video is how to create a specific menu for your logged in users. I'll show you how to create a basic menu where logged out users can log in and vice versa. I'll also show you how you can add the user image, and you can also add the user's name next to the image. So if you're ready to add just a little more polish to your courses and membership sites, let's dive right in. So from the Thrive Apprentice dashboard, we will go to the Design tab, and then let's go ahead and edit our current design. Then under Template Editor, let's click Manage Templates. And so these are all of the templates for our online courses. We are going to be editing the header, which is used on all of these templates. So really you can choose any of these to edit the header. I'll use the Course Overview template. So let's click in the header area, and you can see that this is a linked section. This means that any edits we make to the header on this template will reflect on all of the other templates as well. Of course, you can unlink the header if you like, and then your changes will only appear on this specific template. But let's proceed with editing this linked section. So let's start with adding a login option to your menu for people who are currently logged out, and a log out option for those who are logged in. And I've got a custom menu element in my header already. If you need to place a menu in your header, just go to the Add Element button and look for the custom menu element and simply drag that into your header. So let's click on the menu and let's make sure that custom menu is highlighted in the breadcrumbs. Under the Main Options tab, let's take a quick look at the menu source, and you can see that I am using a custom menu. By using a custom menu as the source, I can edit all of my items right here in Thrive Architect, and they're located at the bottom of the Main Options tab under Menu Items. So let's go ahead and add the login page as a menu item. I'll edit this one. And for the target URL, you can simply type in the name of your login page and it should pop up. Now, if you haven't created a login page yet, we do have a tutorial on how to do that, so be sure to check it out. So then you can choose whether to open this page in a new tab or not, and then we will need to specify when to show this menu item. So we want to show this when people are logged out, and then click Apply. And now we will need to add a log out option. So let's go ahead and get rid of these two submenu items because I don't need those. And let's edit this item. And I'll type in log out. Now for the button link, we aren't just taking people to another page. We also need to tell WordPress to take some kind of action, the action of logging the person out. So for the button link, we want a dynamic link. And then for the first dropdown, we will select Site. And for the second dropdown, we'll select Log Out. And then click Insert. Now, as far as when to show this menu item, we want to show it when people are logged in, and then click Apply. All right, so for now, as we work on the page, both the log in and log out options are visible in the header, but when someone is viewing their site, they will only see the log in option if they are currently logged out, and vice versa. Next, let's add another impressive looking feature, a user profile photo. So let's say that I want the user profile image to be displayed in the menu, and let's say that under the image we want additional menu options to take people to their profile page, their account page, and a page that displays the courses that they are enrolled in. So I will start by editing the custom menu and adding links to those pages. Next, let's add the profile image. So what's important to remember is that the default menu items are linked, and that's so you can quickly and easily make style changes to your menu. But we don't want to add an image to all of our menu items, just one. So we will need to unlink it first. So I'll go to this menu item here, and then I'll click on the green lock icon to unlink it. And when it's red, that indicates that this item is no longer linked to the others. So now we can go to the main options tab, and under display, we will select image only. And while we're here, you can set the target URL for this image. So for example, if you've created a profile page for your users and you want to link that profile page to their picture, you can simply type in the name of that page and it should pop up. So now let's add the user image. Let's click on the image icon in our menu, and then let's go to the main options tab. And for the element type, we want to select dynamic. For the source, let's select the user image. All right, so my user image has been added to my menu. Now it is square right now. If you want to make it round, you can go to borders and corners and simply increase the corner radius to make it round. So the user image has been added to the menu, and because I'm currently logged in, it's my image that shows in the menu. This image will change for each individual user when they log in to your site. Next, let's add one last bit of flair to our menu, and that is the user's name. So let's click on the profile image and make sure that menu item is highlighted in the breadcrumbs, and also make sure that the lock icon here is red, indicating that it is unlinked. So then go to the main options tab, and under display, let's select image and text. Now to make sure that this text will display the user's name, we will need to make it a dynamic element. So let's go ahead and let's highlight this text. And in the floating bar here, let's select the stack of coins icon, and you'll see that it has turned blue, which indicates that it is a dynamic element. For the source, let's select user data, and in the second dropdown, we will select WordPress user first name, and then click insert. And that's it. Now the text next to the image will display the user's first name whenever they are logged in to your site. So let's take a look at the final product. This is my courses page, and it has login in the upper right hand corner. You don't see log out or any of the other options because I'm not currently logged in. So let's go ahead and click the login button. That takes me to the login page. And now that I'm currently logged in, we have the option to log out. I've got my profile photo here and my name right next to it. So that's how to create a custom menu for your courses and membership sites. These little touches can give your site a more premium feel, while at the same time making your site maybe just a little easier to navigate. Thrive Apprentice is part of Thrive Suite, so click the link to get Thrive Suite today. Thanks for watching.